Hello students, welcome to the channel. In the series Target 750 Plus, we look at advanced problems from math topics on SAT and ACT. Today we'll look at ratios. So let's begin. The ratio of the money with Adi and Rohan is 7 to 15 and the ratio of the money with Rohan and Dia is 7 to 16. If Adi has rupees 490, the amount of money in rupees that Dia has is what? So Adi to Rohan is 7 to 15 and Adi has 490. So 490 to R is 7 to 15, 770. So R is 15 into 70. That's the amount of money that Rohan has. And Rohan to Dia is 7 to 16. So Rohan is 15 into 70 to Dia is 7 to 16. This cancels. We have 10 left. So Dia is 16 into 15 into 10, which is 15, 6 are 90, 0 carry 9, 15, 20, 400. So the amount of money with Dia is 2400, option C. Okay. Question 2. The length of a rectangle is 9 times its width. The ratio of its perimeter to the perimeter of a square with the same area is what? So let the length be L and let the width be W. So length is 9 times W. So what will be the perimeter of this rectangle? It will be 2 times length plus W. So 2 times 9W plus W, which is 2 times 10W, that is 20W, right? That's the perimeter of the rectangle. What's the area of the rectangle? It will be L into W, which is 9W into W, which is 9W square. Now, a square with the same area, let's say the area of the square is also 9W square. So what will be the side of the square? Side of the square would be the square root of 9W square, which is 3W, right? Because the area of a square is L squared, where L is the side. So what is the perimeter of the square? The perimeter of the square would be 4 times 3W, which is 12W, right? So the perimeter of the rectangle to the perimeter of the square would be 20W from here divided by 12W from here. So the W's cancel. 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12. So it would be 5 to 3, option C. Okay, next question. The incomes of Paul and Ryan are in the ratio 3:2. Their expenditures are in the ratio 5:3. If each saves the same amount of money, what is the ratio of Paul's income to his expenditure? Okay, so let's say Paul's income and Ryan's income. Let's say this is 3x and this is 2x because the ratio is 3:2. And Paul's expenditure and Ryan's expenditure would be 5y and 3y, right? Because the ratio of their expenditures are in the ratio 5:3. So what is Paul's savings? It is his income minus expenditure, which is 3x minus 5y. And Ryan's savings would be 2x minus 3y. And we know that they save the same amount. So I can say 3x minus 5y is 2x minus 3y. So x is 2y, right? So this is the relationship between x and y. Now, what is the ratio of Paul's income to his expenditure? So Paul's income to Paul's expenditure is 3x over 5y. But we know that x is 2y, so the numerator becomes 6y to 5y. The y is cancelled, so the answer is 6 is to 5. Option B. Okay, next question. One half of a road construction project was completed by 6 workers in 12 days. Working at the same rate, how many workers are needed to finish the rest of the project in exactly 4 days? So we have a road construction project. Let's say this is my road that I'm constructing, and the first half was constructed by 6 workers in 12 days, right? Now I have the same amount of work because another half is left, but I'm reducing the days from 12 to 4. So if I'm reducing the number of days, then I have to increase the number of workers, because the number of workers that I would need to complete this portion would have to go up, because to complete the same amount of work with 6 workers, I needed 12 days. So when I reduce 12 to 4, I would have to increase the number of workers. And for that, I would have to say 6 into 12 is x into 4, where x is the number of workers I need to complete the work in 4 days. So this becomes 3. So x is 18. So if I need to complete the work in 4 days, I would need 18 workers. And you can see that that makes sense, because when I have reduced the number of days by a ratio of 1/3, I would have to increase the number of workers 3 times. And so the answer is option D. Right, so that was a quick drill on advanced problems from ratios. Hope this was useful. If it was, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section what other videos you'd like me to upload as part of Target 750 Plus. There are also videos on the basics of math that you need for SAT and ECT, so do check them out. I'll see you in a new video soon. Take care. Bye-bye.